All right, it's Ron Goodall, FightHype.com. I'm here with Frank Martin. First and foremost, how many, you got 8? Is it an 8-pack or is it a 12-pack?
12.
12?
Working, I've been putting that work in, man. That's 12 of them things. You know, they say I can take body shots, so I gotta make sure we knit tight.
Absolutely.
But you know what? He said the dumbest shit ever. Who don't? Who just like this? Hit me with a body shot. Nobody.
Nobody, yeah.
Come on now.
Why did he, why did he keep saying like body shot? You don't like body shots. Like, where did he get that from?
It don't even matter. Let him think what he think. You know what I mean? We got our fight next week, June 15th, and we go on from there.
You know, you mentioned that's the second time you brought up Pablo, so obviously, you know how to fight punchers. So a lot of people in this fight have predicted, well, you know, Frank would have to box and move, you know, because if he goes aggressive, Tank's gonna essentially have his way of, you know, he's saying that they're gonna knock you out. The bookies have that as, you know, he's the favorite. So why do people just downplay the intelligence, maybe the IQ, maybe that you can do a little bit of both and also bang?
They don't know, you know. You can't blame them for being blind. You know, they just don't know what I got for you. You know, they just know off of the few fights that they have seen, but they don't really know fully what's in my arsenal, or even the punch that I pack. You know, everybody got their own fighting styles. You know, if I want to get a guy up out of there, I can get him up out of there. You know, if I want to box, I can do that too. You know, but this fight is gonna be based off of what's presented in the ring. You know, come fight night.
You know, we don't have to go in details and heart, but is it a little awkward or maybe just frustrated that your biggest fight, people kind of look at the whole your promoter and trainer like Errol and Derrick situation, kind of pinpoint and look at that, or just even having to deal with the Ryan Garcia stuff during this fight, or is it just not really
like it seemed like everything. It seemed like it was a lot of noise going on, you know, as far as distractions, you know, anything that can distract a guy, you know, like those are some of the things that can distract a guy, right? But it's kind of like I didn't put myself in a mental spot where it was going to be no distractions for me, like nothing could get in my way or distract me, you know, because I know that's what a lot of this is about, distractions, throwing the guy off or whatever. So honestly, man, none of the noise that's been going on or any of that is going to affect me, you know, when it comes to this fight right here.
You know, I got a chance to talk to your father a little bit on the side right there. That family support, you know, you have your trainer from back in the day, who's also going to be in the corner, Derrick, who's like, it seems like everyone, it's like the Avengers of Frank has assembled for this.
Yeah.
You know, they know best. You know, I was talking to your friend as well. They know best. But a lot of fight fans still don't know. What can you tell the fight fans out there who's going to be tuning in, who will go by Gervonta Davis, you know, who's quote-unquote proven, guy who's, you know, went up multiple divisions, had these big knockouts, fought on the big stage. What can you tell the fight fans, you know, that'll be buying the pay-per-view, this big pay-per-view?
Y'all gonna see a new face at the 135 division. Y'all gonna see an explosive fight. And I'm not one of the guys that's just coming to lay down. Y'all gonna see a dominant performance, you know, from Frank Martin come fight night. You know, it's no laying down, everybody keep asking me, is you gonna take a dive? I'm not one of them, you know, so one thing y'all gonna get from me is a true fighter, and a guy who coming out to win. You know, I'm not none of that who he is or anything. I'm coming to win. You know, I'm coming to get that dub. So tune in June 15th and it's on.
Awesome, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.